Dear student, in last lecture we learned about antifungal antibiotic. In today's lecture we learn about the carbonylic acid derivative, allyl amine derivative and azole derivative such as imidazole and triazole derivative as an antifungal agent. So first, carbonylic acid derivative, for example tolnaphthate, it's the beta-naphthol ester known as the beta-naphthol derivative, contain the beta-naphthol ring. Structure activity relationship, the antifungal activity of tolnaphthate it maintained even if the aromatic methyl group is removed or replaced by hydroxyl group or methoxy group, or if the entire tolyl group is replaced by an alpha or beta naphthyl substituent. Second point, the activity is lost if the aromatic methyl group is replaced by halogen atom or a carboxylic or a nitrofunctional group. The carbamate methyl group is essential for antifungal activity of tolnaphthate. Properties: it is colorless, cream colored, odorless powder, insoluble in water and freely soluble in chloroform. Uses: it is used as a topical antifungal agent as 1% solution or powder or cream in the treatment of tinea infection. Formulation: tolnaphthate available in topical solution as well as cream form. Synthesis of tolnaphthate: it is prepared by condensing the N-methyl M-tolyl amine with 2-naphthyl chlorothienoformate in acetone as a solvent in presence of sodium carbonate. It gives tolnaphthate as an end product. Allyl amines derivative, for example naphthene hydrochloride. Properties: it is white crystalline powder that is soluble in polar solvent such as ethanol and methylene chloride. Uses: it is used as or it is useful for the treatment of a ringworm of scalp, tinea, etc. Formulation: available in 1% concentration in cream and in gel form for the topical treatment of ringworm. Mode of action: terbinafine inhibits fungal squalene epoxidase, thereby decreasing the synthesis of ergosterol. This accumulation of toxic compound of squalene results in the death of fungal cell. Next, azoles. Azoles are divided into two. First, imidazole, for example clotrimazole, ketoconazole, miconazole, and second, triazole derivatives, for example fluconazole, itraconazole, terkenazole, etc. So azoles are the mode of action of azoles. The azoles are predominantly fungistatic and they inhibit carbon 14 alpha demethylase, a cytochrome P450 enzyme, thus blocking the demethylation of lansosterol to ergosterol and the principal sterol of fungal membrane. This inhibition of membrane structure disturbs the function and thereby inhibits the fungal cell death. The example: miconazole, ketoconazole, iconazole nitrate, clotrimazole, terconazole, fluconazole, oxyconazole are the agent of this class. The structure activity relationship of azole derivative: the imidazole ring could be replaced with bioisosteric replacement of triazole ring without adversely affecting the antifungal properties of this molecule. The basic structural requirement of membrane of the azole class is a weakly basic imidazole ring or triazole ring, particularly 1,2,4 triazole ring having pKa 6.5 to 6.8, bonded by a nitrogen carbon linkage to the rest of the structure. The amide nitrogen atom particularly the N3 in imidazole and N4 in triazole, is believed to bind to hemiion of enzyme-bound cytochrome P450 to inhibit activation of molecular oxygen and prevent oxidation of steroidal substrate by the enzyme. The most potent antifungal azoles possess 2 or 3 aromatic rings, at least one of which is halogen substituted ring. For example, 2,4-dichlorophenyl ring or 4-chlorophenyl ring or 2,4-difluorophenyl ring and other non-polar functional group. Only 2 and or 2,4 substituted compound yields effective azole compound. The substituted halogen atom gives most potent compound is fluorine. Functional groups such as sulfonic acid have been shown the same potency. Substitution at other position of the ring yields inactive compound. The large non-polar portion of this molecule mimic the non-polar steroidal part of the substrate for lansosterol 14-alpha demethylase. Lansosterol in shape and size. The non-polar functionality confirms high lipophilicity to the antifungal azole. The free bases are typically insoluble in water but are soluble in most organic solvents such as ethanol. Fluconazole, which possesses 2 polar triazole moieties, is an exception in that it is sufficiently water soluble to be injected intravenously as a solution of the free base. The first example, miconazole, having the imidazole nucleus properties. Miconazole available in the nitrate form, miconazole nitrate as a salt form. Miconazole nitrate is colorless, odorless, crystalline solid, melts at or in between 178 to 184 degrees centigrade, slightly soluble in water, ethanol, and freely soluble in DMF and DMSO. It is used for the treatment of fungal infection, particularly mucocutaneous infection, and topically it is used for the candidiasis. Synthesis of the miconazole. Starting material is the 2,4-dichlorophenyl ethanol. Bromination and oxidation takes place in presence of imidazole, followed by the condensation reaction in presence of 2,4-dichloro-1-chloromethylbenzene gives miconazole. Ketoconazole properties. Ketoconazole is a colorless crystalline solid compound, slightly soluble in water and weakly basic compound. Ketoconazole is recommended for the treatment of systemic fungal infection like candidiasis and other infections. Synthesis. Glycerol is the starting material, tosic acid, and combination of these we get the ketoconazole as end product. Clotrimazole, it is also white crystalline solid, sparingly soluble in water but soluble in alcohol and most organic solvent. Weak base that can be solubilized by a dilution mineral acid. Clotrimazole is extremely soluble with a shelf life of more than 5 years. Uses. It is broad spectrum antifungal drug that used for the topically for the treatment of tinea infection and candidiasis. Adverse effect. Causes the severe GI disturbances. Second, it is extensively protein bound and hence it is not considered optimal bioavailability. Clotrimazole is not considered suitable for the treatment of systemic infection. Formulation 1% vaginal cream and tablet of 100 mg to 500 mg are available for vaginal candidiasis. Iconazole nitrate properties. It is again white crystalline nitric acid salt, slightly soluble in water, mostly soluble in organic solvent. Available in the cream form. 1% of cream form is used for the topical treatment of tinea infection and cutaneous candidiasis. Butoconazole nitrate. It is available in the cream form and the 2% cream used for the vaginal infections. Uses: it is extremely used as a broad spectrum antibiotic, antifungal agent, and specifically it is effective against Candida albicans and intended for the treatment of vaginal candidiasis. Oxyconazole, white crystalline nitric acid salt. It is used in the cream form or lotion form. 1% concentration is used for the treatment of tinea infection. Ticonazole, it is used for the treatment of vaginal candidiasis. A vaginal ointment containing 6.5% of the free bases is available. Ticonazole is more effective against Trichopolis glabrate than other azoles. Turconazole, it is used extensively for the control of vaginal candidiasis and other candida infections. It is available in the cream form. 0.4% to 0.8% of free bases intended for 7 days and 3 days treatment period respectively. Suppositories contain 80 mg of free bases are available. Itraconazole, it is unique member of this azole class. They contain 2-triazole moiety in structure, a weakly basic 1,2,4-triazole and non-basic 1,2,4-triazole 3-one. Absorption, distribution, metabolism of drug. Absorption of itraconazole nearly doubling its oral bioavailability. 99% of drug is plasma bound and metabolized in liver, and significantly it shows the antifungal activity. The unchanged drug is excreted in the urine and the terminal elimination half-life is 24 to 40 hours. It is used for the treatment of systemic fungal infection including histoplasmosis, blastomycosis, etc. It may be also effective for the treatment of deep organ candidiasis as well as the meningitis. It is in general, itraconazole is more effective and better tolerated than the ketoconazole. Fluconazole, it is water soluble bis triazole compound, broad spectrum antifungal activity that suitable for both oral and intravenous administration of the free bases. Intravenous solution of fluconazole contain 2 mg of the free base in 1 ml of isotonic sodium chloride or 5% dextrose vehicle. Thank you for watching video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel.